Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with hardware ready. Check that your HP has a built-in 5G modem or a recognized external 5G USB dongle, and that a 5G SIM is active. Insert the SIM into the modem slot or the dongle, then power the laptop and plug into AC. Open Windows settings now to confirm radios are enabled. You need wireless and mobile broadband services running. Doing this first saves time, because the OS can detect the modem and download drivers automatically once the SIM and hardware are present. Once hardware is present, go to Device Manager and look for the 5G modem under Network Adapters. Yellow icons mean driver issues. If needed, run HP Support Assistant or download the exact modem driver from HP using another connection and install it. Drivers enable cellular radio control. Next, open Network and Internet settings and choose Mobile Broadband to add a connection. The system may auto-detect your carrier, but enter the APN manually when prompted to ensure proper data routing. This step configures your laptop to authenticate and use the 5G network. Now enable mobile data in network settings, select the newly created 5G profile, and wait for a signal indicator. Then open a browser and run a quick speed test to confirm 5G performance. If it won't connect, toggle airplane mode off and on, power cycle the USB dongle or reset the SIM, and reboot the laptop. These clear many handshake issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, update modem firmware and drivers before contacting support. Collect HP diagnostic logs and any carrier error codes to speed resolution if problems persist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.